Let's talk about the cucumber, the long, straight, dark green one wrapped in plastic you see everywhere. It might seem like just another humble vegetable quietly waiting on the grocery store shelf, but there's a lot more to this crunchy staple than meets the eye. The cucumber is a silent superstar, playing a starring role in salads, sandwiches, and snacks around the world. It's not just a salad staple, it's the product of a high-tech, multi-billion-dollar global industry. Every year, millions of tons of cucumbers are grown, harvested, and shipped to markets near and far, making it one of the most widely consumed vegetables on the planet. Nearly half the world's cucumbers are grown in massive, climate-controlled greenhouses. These aren't your average backyard gardens. These are sprawling, high-tech facilities where temperature, humidity, and even light are carefully managed to create the perfect environment for cucumbers to thrive year-round. Countries like the Netherlands and Spain have perfected this, exporting cucumbers across Europe, while Russia and China run vast greenhouse complexes. Why greenhouses? Efficiency. These countries have invested heavily in agricultural innovation, turning cucumber farming into a science. Their greenhouses are marvels of engineering, designed to maximize yield and minimize waste. They produce up to 10 times more cucumbers per acre than open fields by growing plants vertically. This vertical farming method allows for more plants in less space, using less water and fewer pesticides, making it both productive and environmentally friendly. The result? Consistent, high-quality cucumbers, though at a higher cost. Each cucumber is carefully sorted, washed, and packaged, ensuring that only the best make it to your local store. This attention to detail is what gives you that flawless, glossy cucumber every time. Next time you bite into one, remember it started as a carefully selected seed, raised in a controlled environment, and harvested by hand. From the very beginning, agricultural experts choose seeds for their flavor, texture, and resistance to disease, ensuring a perfect crop. It's a marvel of modern agriculture, ensuring you get that perfect crisp bite every time. The journey from seed to salad bowl is a testament to human ingenuity and our desire for fresh, healthy food, no matter the season. Behind every cucumber is a story of science, precision, and hard work. Teams of scientists and workers monitor every stage of growth, using data and technology to keep plants healthy and productive. So, the next time you enjoy a salad, take a moment to appreciate the unsung hero of the bowl, the cucumber. It's the result of global collaboration, innovation, and dedication, all working together to keep your salad bowl full and your meals fresh. Every greenhouse cucumber's journey starts with a single, elite seed, small, unassuming, yet packed with the potential to become a thriving plant. These seeds are the result of years of careful breeding and selection, each one representing the best genetics for greenhouse growing. Only the finest seeds make the cut, chosen for perfect size, disease resistance, and flawless skin. Each seed is meticulously inspected to ensure it meets strict standards, because even the tiniest imperfection can affect the entire crop. Specialized nurseries handle this critical first step for most greenhouse farms. Here, teams of skilled workers and advanced technology come together to give every seed the best possible start. Seeds are placed in sterile trays filled with coconut fiber, peat moss, or rock wool. No soil, no disease. These soilless mediums provide the perfect balance of moisture and air, creating an ideal environment for germination. Automation takes over. Conveyor belts, vacuum seeders, and perfectly punched holes ensure every seed is precisely planted. This high-tech approach not only speeds up the process but also guarantees consistency across thousands of seedlings. Each cell gets one seed, eliminating human error and maximizing efficiency. This careful placement means every seedling has the space and resources it needs to grow strong from the very beginning. Trays are misted with just enough water to trigger germination, never too much. The humidity and temperature are closely monitored, ensuring the seeds wake up in the most favorable conditions possible. Small sticks are added to guide seedlings upward from the start. This simple step helps train the young plants to grow straight and strong, setting the stage for their future vertical growth. This is the first step in their vertical journey. As the seedlings emerge, they instinctively reach for the light, guided by both nature and careful human intervention. The result? Uniform, healthy seedlings ready for the next stage. Each one is nearly identical, a testament to the precision and care invested in the process. It's a high-tech assembly line for future cucumbers, where innovation meets nature to produce the perfect start for every plant. The process is all about giving every plant the best possible start. From climate control to nutrient management, every detail is fine-tuned to support healthy, vigorous growth. From here, the seedlings are set up for success. They'll soon be transplanted into larger systems, but their journey as strong, resilient plants begins right here. The journey from seed to salad begins with precision, passion, and a commitment to excellence, ensuring that every cucumber you enjoy started life as a tiny seed, nurtured with care and technology. The planted trays move into a nursery that's more spa than farm. Temperature, humidity, and light are all perfectly controlled. Powerful LED lights provide the exact wavelengths for photosynthesis, ensuring steady growth regardless of weather. For 3 to 4 weeks, seeds transform into sturdy young plants about 15-20 centimeters tall. Nursery staff monitor and nurture them, catching problems early. By the end, each seedling has 2 or 3 true leaves and is ready for transplant. Outsourcing this stage means greenhouse farmers get uniform, healthy, disease-free plants. Uniformity is key. All plants grow at the same rate and are ready for harvest together. The nursery is the foundation for a successful crop. It's a critical investment in productivity. The next stop, the main greenhouse. After their nursery stay, seedlings are carefully moved to the main greenhouse, a vast glass and steel structure. They're transplanted into large substrate bags or racks, giving roots room to grow. Each plant is hooked up to a drip irrigation system, delivering a custom nutrient mix directly to the roots. No water or nutrients are wasted. Everything is precisely measured. The solution is adjusted in real time for each plant's needs. With roots settled and nutrients flowing, the plants grow rapidly, sometimes several centimeters overnight. The goal, get them fruiting as quickly as possible. The greenhouse is now set for explosive vertical growth. In the greenhouse, cucumbers race upward, guided by trellis wires and secured with plastic clips. Workers guide and prune the vines daily, keeping them healthy and productive. Vertical growing means more plants per square meter and higher yields. As vines reach 10-12 meters, lower sections are pruned and the plant is lowered, allowing continuous fruiting at a comfortable height. Regular pruning and removal of side shoots focus the plant's energy on top-quality cucumbers. This hands-on care is essential for maximizing yield and quality. Technology manages the climate, but skilled workers manage the plants. It's a demanding, repetitive job, but it's the heart of greenhouse success. The result? A steady supply of perfect cucumbers. Step inside a modern greenhouse and you'll discover a command center that rivals any high-tech facility. Here, a network of sensors and computers work together seamlessly, orchestrating the perfect environment for plant growth. Every variable, temperature, humidity, CO2, and sunlight, is tracked and adjusted in real time. These systems don't just monitor, they respond instantly, making micro-adjustments to keep the environment stable and optimal for the plants. Automated vents open and close, heaters kick in, and misters spray a fine mist of water, all without human intervention. This constant fine-tuning prevents stress that could ruin the crop, ensuring the plants are always in their comfort zone. Even a small temperature drop or a brief water shortage can make cucumbers bitter or misshapen. That's why precision is everything. The system is designed to catch and correct issues before they ever become a problem. CO2 enrichment supercharges photosynthesis, allowing plants to grow faster and stronger. This can boost yields by up to 30%, making the most of every square meter of greenhouse space. Most greenhouse cucumbers are parthenocarpic, meaning they don't need pollination. This results in cucumbers that are always seedless and perfectly straight, meeting the highest standards for quality and appearance. The result is reliable, high-quality production no matter what the weather is like outside. Rain or shine, summer or winter, the harvest remains consistent. The entire system is engineered for consistency, from the climate controls to the irrigation and nutrient delivery. Every detail is managed to ensure uniform growth and quality. Every cucumber you see is a product of this high-tech environment, shaped by technology and careful management from seed to harvest. The greenhouse operates as a closed loop of control and efficiency, recycling resources and minimizing waste wherever possible. It's farming, but with the precision and rigor of a science lab. Data drives every decision, and nothing is left to chance. The ultimate goal? Perfect cucumbers every time, delivered with scientific precision and technological mastery. Pests are a constant threat, but greenhouses fight back with biological pest control, using bugs to fight bugs. Ladybugs, lacewings, and predatory mites are released to hunt pests like aphids and spider mites. Sticky traps and regular inspections help spot problems early. This natural approach keeps cucumbers pesticide-free and safe for consumers. Workers need sharp eyes and entomology know-how to keep the balance. The closed greenhouse system and strict hygiene mean no soil or chemical contamination. That's why greenhouse cucumbers keep their natural waxy coating and don't need washing. The result? A clean, safe product. It's a sustainable, science-driven war for quality. About 30-40 days after transplanting, it's harvest time. A continuous process every 2-3 days. Workers hand-pick cucumbers at peak size and color, using sharp tools and a gentle touch to avoid damage. Speed and care are essential. A bruised cucumber loses value. The infinite plant system keeps vines producing for months, with old sections pruned away. Eventually, yields decline and the crop is cleared out. Old vines and leaves are composted, becoming nutrient-rich fertilizer for other crops. Nothing goes to waste. The cycle is efficient and sustainable. The greenhouse is sterilized and prepped for the next batch of seedlings. The process repeats, season after season. It's a relentless, rewarding cycle. Every cucumber is the result of this race against time. The journey never really ends. Once harvested, cucumbers head straight to the packing facility. They're inspected on conveyor belts. Only flawless cucumbers make the cut. Grading machines sort them by size and weight for supermarket consistency. No washing is needed. The natural waxy coating keeps them fresh. Strict hygiene means they're ready for packaging right off the vine. Most are shrink-wrapped in plastic, extending shelf life from days to over a week. Robotic arms pack and palletize them for cold storage and shipping. From there, they travel in refrigerated trucks to stores worldwide. From seed to salad, it's a journey of science, precision, and care. The next time you see that perfect cucumber, you'll know the story behind every crisp bite.